Feeling drained after a long workday? Trust me, I've been there. Staring at screens, endless meetings, and before you know it, boom, exhaustion hits. But what if I told you that just a few minutes of movement could totally flip your energy switch? Let's dive into 5 super simple exercises that'll boost your health and leave you feeling recharged, all without stepping foot in a gym. First, up walking. I know it sounds obvious, but a brisk 20-minute walk can do wonders. You can squeeze it in while listening to a podcast or even during phone calls. Walk around your home, office, or take it outside. Just get those steps in. Next, bodyweight squats. No fancy equipment needed. Just stand up and try 3 sets of 10. Squats strengthen your legs, fire up your core, and help fix that slouchy posture we all get from sitting. Now let's talk planks. Start with 20 seconds and work your way up. Planks build core strength, which helps protect your back, so you won't be groaning every time you stand up at the end of the day. Need a quick energy burst? Jumping jacks. Just 1 minute will get your heart racing, and you'll feel instantly awake. It's a little throwback to gym class, but it works. Finally, don't skip stretching. Reach for your toes, roll your neck, just spend a few minutes loosening up. It's the easiest way to ease tension and wrap up your routine feeling refreshed. So, busy or not, you can totally fit these 5 moves into your day. Try them out and let me know how you feel. Your energy levels might just surprise you. Don't forget to share if you found this helpful. See you next time.